How to listen to YouTube Music and Spotify in the background without ads or premium. Hello and welcome to Next Gen Tech Hacks. If you love music and want to listen to your favorite songs without interruptions, even when your phone screen is off or while using other apps, this guide is for you. Today, I'll show you how to play YouTube Music and Spotify in the background, without ads and without needing a premium subscription. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Brave browser. To enable background play, you'll need a browser that supports it. That's where Brave browser comes in. Open the Play Store or App Store on your phone. Search for Brave browser and install it. Once installed, open Brave and select Maybe Later. When prompted to help improve Brave, uncheck all options and continue. Why Brave? Brave browser has built-in privacy features, blocks ads, and allows background playback, perfect for uninterrupted music. Step 2. Enable background play in Brave. Before you start playing music, adjust these settings to ensure background playback works. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner. Select Settings and scroll down to Media. Find Background Play and turn it on. Now, audio will keep playing even if you minimize the browser or lock your phone. Step 3. Listen to YouTube Music in the background. Now that Brave is ready, let's play music. Open Brave and search for YouTube Music in the address bar. Click on the YouTube Music website. Search for any song or playlist you want. Play your song and minimize the app. Your music will keep playing. Even if your phone screen is turned off, the music will not stop. Step 4. Listen to Spotify without ads. Want to stream Spotify without interruptions? Follow these steps. Open Brave browser and search for Spotify in the address bar. Click on the Spotify website. When a notification appears asking about protected content, select Don't Ask Again and then Allow. Brave will close automatically. Just reopen it. Search for any song or playlist. Press play and minimize Brave. Spotify will keep playing in the background. No ads, no interruptions, just music. Step 5. Play YouTube videos without stopping. Did you know this method also works for YouTube videos? Open youtube.com in Brave browser. Search for a song, music video, or podcast. Play the video and exit the app. It will continue playing in the background. Bonus tip: make the most of your music experience. Listen to music while working, exercising, or multitasking without interruptions. No need for premium subscriptions. Your screen can be off and the audio will keep playing. That's it. Now, you can enjoy YouTube Music and Spotify in the background with Brave browser without premium. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Next Gen Tech Hacks.